Hello everyone, this is a step-by-step guide on how to open the iPad 9 generation 10.2 2021 model. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. Proper heating is essential to separate the touchscreen from the iPad. For this, we are using a heating pad. On the iPad 9, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer around the edges. Please note that some devices may need extra heating to separate the screen. Once the heating is completed, place a suction cup on the edge of the screen and gently lift to create a gap. Insert a plastic carpet tool or triangular picker into the gap. Then carefully work around the frame to cut through the adhesive. While cutting, be careful. The screen is still connected to the logic board by flex cables. Next, lift the touchscreen. Open it like a book from left to the right and rest it in that position until you remove the LCD screen. Next, take out the LCD screen from the body. First, undo 4 screws securing the LCD screen. And then lift the LCD screen to a 90-degree angle. And disconnect its plug by removing the 3 screws and the shield. Next, disconnect both touchscreen connector plugs. And then peel back the tape and lift the latch to disconnect the Touch ID flex. And now the touchscreen assembly can be removed from the body.